my name is Carmen Mok. I'm a children's book illustrator. Today, I'd like to show you this book, Percy Museum. It's written by Sarah O'Leary, illustrated by me, and published by Groundwood Books. The story is about this boy, Percy. He moved from a city to his new home in the countryside. On one side, he misses friends and the activities he likes to do in the city. On the other side, he takes the opportunity to explore nature near his home. You know what? Percy likes to draw just like me. I hope you like to draw as well. He draws all he has seen. He also likes to collect rocks and leaves and many little beautiful things from nature. Then slowly, he makes his own museum and he shares with his new friends. Isn't it pretty? In this video, we will learn how you can create your own museum as nice as Percy's museum. So what you need is, you need to print out this museum wall page that I create and some color pencils or crayons. But the most important thing is go to collect 6 to 8 items that you like to draw on this museum wall. When you have everything's ready, we will start. So this is the museum wall page that you need to print it out. And then after that, you have to decide how you color the background. Maybe you can start with the wall and the floor and other items, just like this one. This is what I start my wall color. And then after that, I collect my items here, and then you need to plan what you want to draw on each picture frame. So I'm thinking the behind cone is right here. Maybe my rocks here, flowers here. What do you think? Maybe the leaves on the big frame, and my shell here, and then archon, 2 little archon here. What do you think? Good, eh? So now I can start to work on it. Maybe I start the flower first. So I got these flowers. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I color that. See this little dot in the middle? Oops. And then the next one, let's do the pine cones. You have to observe the shape, eh? And we can do a dark brown. Then the next, let's do this 2 little guy. And we do the leaves, so you can hold the leaves to the nice shapes. Then we do the shell. The last one, we do this. This rock is pretty interesting. They got lots of holes there. And then you can also put down like, what is this? This plant, I say this is from my garden, so I would say this from my garden. And this is rock. And this is the seashell. And let's see, the top one, leaves. And this is archon. And then this is my pine cone. Flowers. And also Percy collects insects and caterpillar, so I can just add one here in the jar. And the last thing, don't forget, you need to put down the name of your museum. So for me, I will say I call this Carmen's Museum, so I just write down. There we go. This is my museum wall. Do you like it? Now I have Carmen's Museum. I believe you can make one your own as well. Not just one. You can make as many museums as you like by choosing different themes. For example, if you have many beautiful socks, you can create a sock museum. Or you can choose your favorite food and create a food museum. Or you can ask your family and friends to pick one items they like. Then you can group everything together and make a large group museum. I'm sure you can do this nicely and creatively. When you finish, please tag me on my social media. I'm so looking forward to see it. I hope you enjoy watching this video today. Happy drawing! See you next time!